Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bubble Mew, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by drawing in a nice big circle. So we'll start in the center, and we're going to draw in the left-hand side of the circle, curving this all the way down, and then tucking this through in the center on the bottom. Let's draw on the right-hand side of the circle now, so blending that in together, curving this around, blending that together. Let's step down, drawing in the other circle in the middle. So again, starting with the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Blending that in together. Let's draw Mew right in the middle. So it's going to be on a diagonal. So we're going to start with the top of the head, curving that across. For the ear, we're going to tuck that up, pulling that back down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out the side of the head. So we're going to curve this over, tucking that in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, making this right cheek a little shorter. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now for the eyes, we're going to curve this out on the left and on the right. Let's come down for the body. So we're going to come down on the left, curving this over and through. Let's close off the foot. So we're going to arch this down, up, back in. In the center, let's draw in a small circle. And then we'll draw in two diagonal lines coming down. We're going to curve this across again to the right. And then again, one more time, curving this down, up, around, and back in. Again, in the center, a circle, and then two diagonal lines coming down. Let's close off the top of the body, curving this around and in. Let's draw on the arms. So we're going to curve this up on either side, leaving a gap in the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same width. Let's draw on the fingers here. So on the bottom, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out, and then we're going to pull that line in. We'll bring that back up in the center, joining together in the middle, and then we'll bring that back out on a diagonal again. Now from here, we're going to close that off with another diagonal line from the bottom. And let's draw in Mew's tail. So stepping down, we're going to curve this down, up, and over. And then we're going to round that out, tucking that in, down, and then back up. Let's draw on the landscape underneath. So we're just going to curve this line across on the bottom. And then we're just going to draw the little ditto over on the right. So we're going to draw in a wavy line to the right. We'll draw in an arch line directly above. We're going to draw in two circles for the eyes, and then we'll draw in a small sideways oval for that nose. Now let's come up. Over on the right, we're going to draw in a circle. And then moving up, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that up, creating a nice thin oval. We'll do the same as we move down on the right, making this one smaller. Let's come up on the left, replicating that again. And then again, one more time, making that slightly smaller. Let's draw in a nice big arch line, curving this around and through on the left-hand side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down. We're going to draw in a small circle. Let's draw in another sideways oval. Move down again, drawing in another circle. On the left-hand side, we're going to make this nice and thin as we pull that out to the left. Let's move down. Let's draw in another circle. Another sideways oval. In the middle, let's replicate that. And then let's step up again, finishing that off. Now let's draw in a curved line, whereas we're going to come all the way through underneath. And then the exact same thing on the top. Now on the right, let's draw in another sideways oval. In the middle, replicating that. Let's come up on the right, finishing that off. Let's draw in a small circle here. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, on the top. Let's draw in another curved line coming out, pulling that back in. We're going to draw in our last little bubble dots here. So we're going to draw in another circle on the right-hand side. And then beside that, another sideways oval. Let's move up, finishing that off. And then down on the bottom as well. And that is it. That's how you draw Bubble Mew from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.